Okay students, now we are going to study about the structure, function and location of the human body. Our digestive system, the upper part of the digestive system is called oral cavity. Oral cavity consists of three elements. First is teeth, 32 numbers in adult and 20 numbers in infant, and a tongue and three pairs of salivary gland, parotid, submaxillary and sublingual. Today we shall discuss about the teeth of human body. Alimentary canal of human body. Alimentary canal, also called GI tract. First part, oral cavity. Oral cavity consists three elements: teeth, tongue and salivary gland. Teeth, adult teeth 32, infant 20, tongue number 1 and salivary gland 3 pairs. Today we shall discuss about the structure, function and morphology of teeth. Human dentition. The study of teeth is called odontology. What is odontology? Study of teeth. Human dentition, three terms in case of human dentition. One is thecodont, second is diphyodont, third is heterodont. Three terms are used in the description of the odontology of human body. Thecodont. What do you mean by thecodont? Thecodont means teeth embedded into the jaw socket. Jaw made by two bones, upper maxillary and lower mandibular. Upper maxillary bone contains 32 half by 2, 16 and lower contains 16 in adult. Then second, explaining second term, diphyodont. In the human life cycle, two types of teeth develop. At infancy, first type of teeth develop, this is called the milk teeth. And second type of teeth is developed after shedding the milk teeth. This is called the permanent teeth. Milk teeth also called deciduous teeth. Second term, that is diphyodont, means two types of teeth in the life cycle. First is milk teeth or deciduous teeth, and second type of teeth is permanent teeth, and teeth persist up to the old age. After shedding the permanent teeth, any type of teeth does not develop. Heterodont. Heterodont means teeth type There are 4 types of teeth in human body. One is incisor, second is canine, third is premolar, fourth is molar. When we consider our oral cavity in triangular section and vertically divided into 4 zones, then the dental formula develop in our dentition. Let's draw the structure of a diagonal structure of upper jaw and lower jaw and the arrangement of teeth. Suppose this is upper jaw and this is lower jaw. Upper jaw bone is maxilla and lower jaw bone is mandible. Imaginary a vertical line draw, then a transverse line draw. Each zone contains 8 teeth. 8 teeth, 8 teeth, 8 teeth, and 8 teeth. Total number of teeth of adult is 32. 8 into 4. 8 into 4. 32. So what is the formula? What is the arrangement of different types of teeth? Consider 8. We divide this part equal 8 zones. This is 2 zones. This is 4 zones. This is 8 zones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then an imaginary line you draw, imaginary line. Then we in the teeth structure. First molar, second molar, third molar. First premolar, second premolar. This is PM, this is M. Molar, this is premolar. This is 1 canine and 2 teeth also present here. This incisor. This structure also present this half. This is also the same. This is also the same. This is also the same. Total 8 structures. This is 2 incisor, 2 canine, 1 premolar, 2 molar, 3. So how we can write the dental formula of human body, adult human body? 2, 1, 2, 3 by 2, 1, 2, 3. This is our dental formula adult. 2 incisor, 2, 1 canine, 2 premolar, 3 molar. Same structure also found in an infant, and the number is 20. What is the dental formula of infant? 2, 1, 0, 3. Incisor, canine, premolar, and molar. This is 3, this is 2. So formula is 2102 by 2102. That is 20 into 2 into 2 is 32. This is the dental formula. As human body possesses 4 types of teeth, so the dentation of human is called heterodont. This is why human is called heterodont. Now, on the basis of the teeth, root, teeth, the lower portion of the tooth, which is embedded in the socket of the bone, having one root, two root, or three root. Teeth have a single root. This is one tooth has double. This is a two-rooted tooth, and sometimes few roots are three-rooted, and root, some three-rooted tooth and two-rooted tooth. For some upper zone, this is called scar. Single-rooted, most of the tooth are single-rooted. Few tooth are two-rooted, and very few tooth are three-rooted. The first upper jaw premolar, two-rooted. That is the 1-4 zone. This is upper jaw premolar. First premolar is 2. This is it has 2. There is a 1. Here another. Here another. Here another. Here another. This is 4. Number 4. Upper jaws premolar. Upper jaws molar. Upper jaws molar also contain three-rooted structure. This is three-rooted upper jaw. But lower jaw, it has no. The jaw has does not possess any three-rooted structure. And some premolar and molar tooth also possesses a apical notch. This apical notch is called cusp. Okay, students. Now we describe this matter again. The first is human dentation. Human dentation, study of the human dentation, they are odontology. And then different types of terms used to describe the teeth of the human body. First is heterodont, diphyodont, and thecodont. Thecodont means tooth embedded in the jaw socket. Heterodont means 4 types of teeth present in our body: incisor, canine, premolar, and molar. And third is the diphyodont. That is the milk teeth as well as the permanent teeth also found in the human.